If you have an Excel file of your warehouse, simply upload a whole file to BoxHero. The required information for uploading is barcode, product name, and quantity. This is an example of a warehouse Excel. It has its own barcode, name, quantity, category, and location. If you do not have barcodes recorded or wish to automatically generate them on BoxHero, you can leave the column as blank. By clicking Import Excel button, you will be directed to Import Excel page. You can drag the Excel file or copy and paste the data. BoxHero will automatically read it. Please check if each column's data is properly matched. If you wish to generate random barcodes, please select Generate. Then, press Submit button to upload. Once uploaded, each product will be registered as here. Photos can be also uploaded in bulks by barcodes. You can connect a barcode scanner to make a speedy stock in and out. For example, on Stock In page, you can either search for products or scan barcodes by connecting your scanner. For Barcode Scanner page, each scan is counted as a single stock. By clicking the Submit button, transaction becomes completed. All transactions can be viewed on the menu called History. By clicking the box, you can check out the details of the product and quantity. You can easily check the product status by inserting keywords. For example, if you wish to search the current quantity of the phone mounts in your warehouse, you can search and check the product status by typing the keyword. You can also search by the registered location. For example, if you wish to know the status for Warehouse 01, Rack AB, type it in the search box, and you can view all the products and the status of the location. All the features, such as searching or making transactions, is also available on BoxHero's mobile app. You can check out the BoxHero Demo on the website or mobile app. It does not require registration or logging in. You can also make actual transactions yourself like demonstrated in this video.